In front of me is OPPO Find X9 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll to tap on Apps. Now select Default Apps over here and tap on any section you wanna manage. I want to switch my browsers. I have to click here on Browser App, and if you see None option, that means that you downloaded another app that fits in the chosen category and didn't choose Allow and Set in the pop-up by entering one of them. So don't worry, it's not a glitch. Just tap on browser you wanna apply or any other app and go back. If you already have one chosen, click again and simply tap on a different one to apply it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!